Hello, good day. I'm Arsalan from the Trading Robot website. This is the second video where we categorize common trading robots. In the previous video, available on our Apparat channel and website, we introduced trading assistant robots. Now, we'll explore semi-automatic robots. Trading assistant robots provided entry points viewed on the TradingView chart like an indicator. You might want to check out that video. Semi-automatic robots are more advanced but have drawbacks. We'll compare their disadvantages and advantages depending on your level, needs, time, and profit expectations. After purchasing, you'll see bells indicating access to trading assistant or semi-automatic robots. We have 4 robots: Paris, Tokyo, and the Cell Bell. This video focuses on Tokyo and Paris, the best sellers, but it has some drawbacks that we compare and see, meaning it has some disadvantages and some advantages. Depending on what level you are at, what your needs are, how much time you can spend, and how much profit you expect from the market, this will vary. So, like with trading assistants, after purchasing the robot, you will see these bells next to it showing you access to trading assistant robots or semi-automatic robots. We have 4 robots: Paris, Tokyo, and the Cell Bell. I will show you Tokyo and Paris. Another converts semi-automatic robots into automatic ones. How to purchase: enter Tokyo page, see description, watch tutorial. Backtest showed 177% profit. See backtest results. I will explain backtest on chart. I'll show you how to automate robots. To buy, visit the Tokyo robot page, read the description, and watch the tutorial. Backtest showed profit. View results, consider a subscription. How do you make a purchase? Enter the Tokyo robot page, see its description, and watch the tutorial video. View backtest results. After reviewing, buy a subscription for 1, 3, 6 months or a year with a special discount. Click Add to Cart and provide your TradingView ID from your TradingView page. Subscribe for 1, 3, 6 months or a year with a discount. We cover costs for long-term planning. Click Add to Cart and enter your TradingView ID from your page, accessible on mobile or profile. It might say Meraban Bot or be in the profile section. Copy it using correct letters for access. If there's an issue, leave your phone number and we'll contact you, or message on Telegram. It's added to your purchase. Click Add to Purchase. Find it on your TradingView page. Copy it for us. Leave your phone number or Telegram for contact if needed. A banking strategy is set up. To add a robot, fill the order form with your details. Enter a discount code if available. Ensure you use the correct case for letters to grant robot access to the account. If there's an issue, leave your phone number and we'll contact you, or message you on Telegram. This will be added to your purchase. I've set up a banking strategy. To add another robot, fill out the order form with your details. Enter a discount code if available during a festival. Proceed to the secure payment gateway to complete your payment. You'll receive an invoice and an SMS confirming the robot's activation. A new section, Invite Only Script, will be added to your indicators. I've added the indicator here and Tokyo has appeared. You are ordering on Saturday. Name, last name, email, mobile number, description if any. And now, if there was a discount code, we would be in the mix. You go to the secure payment gateway to complete your payment. After that, an invoice will be issued for you and you will receive an SMS. Within less than 2 to 3 hours, you will see this bell next to it, and you will also receive an SMS from our site confirming that the robot has been activated for you. A new section will be added to your indicators called Invite Only Script. As you can see, I added the indicator here, and Tokyo has appeared. Clicking on it opens a box asking for the risk to reward ratio for trades, defaulting to 2 and 3 but adjustable. Clicking again shows trades and backtest results, like a 48% profit from 29 trades with a 41% win rate and a 1.7 profit factor, indicating the risk to reward ratio. You can also see average earnings per trade and economic indicators, features not available in trading assistant robots, which required manual testing. Semi-automatic robots do this for you, providing a trade list and chart appearance, like 2 trades back to back, 1 stop loss and 1 take profit. It gives a short signal, automatically setting stop loss and take profit, marking stop loss with an arrow. Advanced settings are controllable, like stop loss amount and risk-free point. Check the product profile page for more. I can show you this video. You can see how much was earned per trade. These features weren't in trading assistant robots requiring manual testing. However, in semi-auto robots, this is done for you. For example, see 2 trades, 1 stop loss, 1 take profit. This is a pro account. The short signal sets stop loss and take profit. It marks stop loss with an arrow. It has advanced settings you control, like stop loss amount, risk-free point, etc. For such cases, check the product profile. I can show you a 16-minute video explaining the settings. The short signal it provides sets the take profit for you and goes to the stop loss. It has controls that you can control from the settings section, like how much the stop loss should be, what the risk-free point should be, and so on. See product profile page. It assumes that you have seen that video, and now it will just give you the entry points. Here, the take profit has been hit for another trade. It calculates everything for you, showing this is nice as all is entered. The take profit has been hit, and it has calculated these for you, whether the previous trade was a sell or a long position. It's been 16 minutes, and I've explained in detail what the settings are and what they are. A take profit has been hit for another trade. It calculates everything, showing the take profit hit and calculates for you whether the previous trade was a sell or long. That robot was Tokyo, and this is Paris. The Tokyo robot on the 2-hour time frame with specific settings has a proven profit of 91%. With a leverage of 10, that's 9-10%. The number of trades is high, win rates are low, but the risk to reward ratio is large, meaning small stop losses and big take profits. Let's go to the Pro chart and I'll show you another robot. The previous robot was Tokyo and this one is Paris. The Tokyo robot on the 2-hour time frame with specific settings has a 91% profit. The number of trades is high. Win rates are low, but the risk to reward ratio is large, meaning small stop losses and big take profits. Even with a 2% win rate, a 90% profit is significant. It profits mostly on higher time frames. On the 1-minute time frame, it could lose 7%. The good thing is we realize it sooner. The number of trades is high, but win rates are low, with a large risk-to-reward ratio, meaning small stop losses and big take profits. It profits mainly on higher time frames. On a 1-minute time frame, it could lose 7%. A strategy profitable on a 2-hour time frame may show a 7% loss on a 1-minute time frame. No manual calculations needed. The computer handles it, considering indicators we might overlook in manual backtesting. However, trades are fewer on higher time frames, maybe 5 trades a month. We have a robot with a banking strategy that, for instance, that robot gives 50 signals a day on the 1-minute time frame. It has a high win rate. From 11 o'clock to 1:30, it gave 50 signals, but it lacks a backtest. Risks must be assessed manually. There's no need for manual calculations. The computer does it for me. It considers certain indicators that we wouldn't even think to include in manual backtesting. However, the downside is that the number of trades is quite low on higher time frames. For example, you might see that in a month it only executed 5 trades. On the other hand, we have a robot with a banking strategy that, and now let me add this to the page. For instance, that robot gives 50 signals a day on the 1-minute time frame. If you follow its strategy, you can see the video on the site. It has an incredibly high win rate. For example, you can see that from 11 o'clock until now, which is around 1:30, it has given 50 signals, but it doesn't have a backtest. You have to sit down and manually assess these risks and enter the entries and exits. And now, let me add this to the page. For instance, that robot gives 50 signals a day on the 1-minute time frame. If you follow its strategy, you can see the video on the site. It has an incredibly high win rate. For example, you can see that from 11 o'clock until now, which is around 1:30, it has given 50 signals, but it doesn't have a backtest. You have to sit down and manually assess these risks and enter the entries and exits. You should enter the entries and exits. Robots help with trading. Assistants suit those without a strategy or with some training. Ideal for buy-sell strategies and scalping. High leverage needs an assistant. For less trained, unfamiliar with markets, preferring higher time frames, reducing noise, or wanting automation, a semi-automatic robot is recommended. Tested, works on higher time frames, and offers peace of mind. Trading bots are for those without a strategy or with some training. For buy-sell strategies, use a trading bot. Scalping suits trading bots on lower time frames. For high leverage, use a trading bot. If less trained, unfamiliar with markets, prefer higher time frames, less noise. Or full automation, choose a semi-auto robot. Tested, works on higher time frames, reliable, signals are few, maybe 2 a month, possibly stop losses. Long-term, yearly profits assured from backtesting. Check semi-auto trading bots on the site. Get a semi-auto system. Tested, high time frames, reliable. But the number of signals is low, and it may give 2 signals in a month, but in the long term of a year, you can rest assured that it will be profitable because we are backtesting. You can also see semi-automatic trading, robots on the site, and read more about them. If you have any questions or need guidance, watch this video. I explained everything in detail, and if you still have questions, I'm available on Telegram. Until the next video, take care.